It's amazing. I think about how this compares to the United States. We've had pay inequality, and we talk about it all of the time in the US. However, we have not been able to close that gap. Here, it seems like change is happening so rapidly. What is the key to that? How do you make the change happen so quickly?
Well, the misunderstanding that you're thinking that women are just been empowered. Now, they're fully empowered. Now, we still have a way to go. But back then, when you look to the history of this country, the King Abdulaziz, when he used to take pride of himself, he used to say, "Ana khunura," that I'm the brother of Noura. Princess Noura bint Abdurrahman, she was the icon of women empowerment. It's very interesting that you say that, because the international media always concentrate on the what they want to picture us, or how they want to frame the Saudi women. But if you read the history, you will find a lot of success stories for women during the past eras. But nowadays, when you have a leader and the king and Prince Mohammed bin Salman, he's a young ruler who's literally talking the language of almost 70% of our population. So 70% of the population, almost 70%, 67 or 70, are under 28. So he's literally talking the language of most of his population. So nowadays, what you're seeing of innovation and how we're supporting women and how we're concentrating and focusing on how to support women in a creative way that really means and reflect well on the community, this is because we have a person who's really believing in us, and alhamdulillah, we're very grateful for that.
It's incredibly obvious.